Greetings, Mark Brown here. When we're looking at how we can put a password on this Microsoft Word document. So for instance, if this computer is not you alone use it. I don't want nobody to actually destroy the project. What to do it for school, for work, or for business. Right? So you want to put a password on. So the first thing you wanted to do is open it like that. Right? When you open it, the next thing you wanted to do is come to your left, where you see the word file, you're going to click on the word file. Now, when you click on the word file, you notice it's the info right over here. Notice it's a protect document right here. So tracker and manage. So what we wanted to do is to come right here to protect document and click right on the little pointer here. Notice right here to mark as final, encrypt with password, restricting, editing, and all of that. So what we want to focus on is encrypts with password. So I'm going to click on that. You notice right here, show your caution. If you lose this password, you cannot recover. So I'm going to put a password right there. And then I'm going to click on the word OK, right? And notice ask me again to re-enter the password, and then you're going to click the word OK. All right, good. And notice right here, it's actually show. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to close the document completely. All right. I'm going to close it completely. All right, now this itself is a document. So I'm going to open the document. I want you to pay close attention when I open the document. I want to right click on the document. I want to click on the word open. And watch exactly when I click on the word open. Now show that document actually processing so far here starting. So whenever I see this here, you know, this is the office signal and all of that. All right. So when somebody tries to open the document, you see exactly what come up, all of that. So very important. And this right here can actually close it, and this itself you can minimize. Right, the switch now need to open so that I can show exactly what it look like. You notice as soon as it open, the first thing is to enter the password. So anybody is open it, they cannot access your document. Now when you open it, the one thing you have to put in the password, and when you put in the password, you press OK, and that's it. Now you have access to your document. So very important. So if you have learned something from this video here, just remember to share it and consider subscribe.